there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a fascinating development in the world of mobile technology, Samsung's confirmation that the Galaxy S26 will soon support AirDrop via Quick Share. Now, this might seem like a minor update, but it's actually a pretty big deal, and I'm here to break down why. So, let's get started. First things first, what is AirDrop and why is it significant? AirDrop is a wireless file-sharing technology developed by Apple, allowing users to transfer files between devices quickly and easily. It's been a game-changer for iOS and Mac users, but Android users have longed for a similar feature. And now, Samsung is finally bringing it to the Galaxy S26 series. What makes this really interesting is that it's not just about file sharing, it's about bridging the gap between different ecosystems. You see, AirDrop has always been a bit of a closed shop, primarily benefiting Apple users. But with Samsung's support, it opens up a whole new world of possibilities for Android users, making it easier to share files with iPhone and Mac users. Now, you might be thinking, so what? It's just file sharing. But here's the catch. This is a significant step towards a more open and interoperable future for mobile technology. In my opinion, it's a move that could potentially disrupt the status quo and force other manufacturers to follow suit. Imagine a world where Android and iOS devices seamlessly interact, where file sharing is effortless, and where users are no longer locked into specific ecosystems. That's the kind of future I'm excited about, and Samsung's support for AirDrop is a big step in that direction. But it's not just about the technical implications. From a consumer perspective, this means that Android users can now enjoy a more seamless experience when interacting with Apple devices. It's like finally getting that missing piece of the puzzle, making your digital life a little bit easier and more connected. And let's not forget the potential impact on the market. With Samsung leading the charge, other manufacturers might feel pressured to follow suit, which could accelerate the adoption of open standards and interoperability. Now, some might argue that this is just a small step and there's still a long way to go. But I think it's a significant one, and it's worth celebrating. It's a reminder that even in a highly competitive market, collaboration and innovation can still thrive. So, what do you think? Is this a game changer for mobile technology or just a minor update? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.